Hi, this is Marcel Jude, your law guru, and I'm here facing the beautiful Megaland Hotel and the surrounding islands off the coast of Kota Kinabalu. Today we're going to look at Malaysian divorce law. Malaysia has a dual legal system for family law. Muslims use a judicial system based on Islamic law, while non-Muslims use a judicial system based on English law. Family law principles are laid down by Muslim jurisprudence scholars for Muslim, while for non-Muslims, marriages and divorce are governed by the Civil Court and the Law Reform Marriage and Divorce Act of 1976. We now look at divorce for the husband in Islamic law. In Malaysia, a man may divorce his wife in the traditional manner by telling his wife, "I divorce you 3 times. However, the husband must first get permission to do this from an Islamic court. If the wife does not agree to the divorce, or the court is not convinced that the marriage is broken down, the court can order a reconciliation process. If reconciliation fails, the court will approve the divorce and make recommendations regarding child custody, maintenance, division of property, and other relevant factors. Islamic law, divorce by the wife. Wives may also go to an Islamic court for divorce. However, only the following are grounds for a wife to request a divorce: the husband's disappearance for more than a year, failure to support the wife financially for 3 months, if the husband is in prison for 3 years or more, impotence, mental illness lasting 2 years, a communicable disease such as leprosy or venereal disease, cruel treatment, and if the wife's consent to marry has been obtained under duress. The Islamic courts will also accept other reasons on a case-by-case basis. We now look at divorce in the civil courts. Civil divorce, a 2-year time limit. For non-Muslims, divorce in Malaysia is governed by civil law, family law, and the civil courts. Under Malaysian civil law, a husband or wife cannot file for divorce until they have been married for 2 years or more, unless a judge determines that there are exceptional circumstances. Judges may also delay the divorce procedure if they find that there is a good chance of reconciliation. It is up to the judge to decide how long a delay is called for. Divorce under civil law. In Malaysia, if one party has converted to Islam and the other has not, this is an automatic ground for divorce. The partner requesting the divorce must wait until 3 months after the conversion. Other grounds for divorce include mutual consent and irretrievable breakdown of the marriage. Evidence of irretrievable breakdown of marriage includes adultery, desertion for at least 2 years, living apart for at least 2 years, or one party finding intolerable to live with the other because of their behavior. Damages for adultery. In cases where one party is claiming adultery as a ground for divorce, it can also name the alleged adulterer as a co-respondent to the divorce. The party alleging adultery must prove that adultery took place. If the court is satisfied that it did, it can order the other party in the divorce and the co-respondents to both pay damages. the court can award any damages for adultery that it thinks fit. We hope you found this presentation helpful. If you have any queries, send your email to askmelaws@yahoo.com. Thank you and goodbye.